The Seminole County Planning and Development Division likes to make sure that our customers get as much information available to them through our website as possible. One of the tools that we make available to you is the My Resident Information page. To access this page, in the middle of the Seminole County webpage home screen, type in My Resident Information in the search field. Click the magnifying glass, and this takes you to a list that meets the criteria for that search. The very first item is the My Resident page. Click that item, and this takes you into the page where you can type in an address to look up information. I chose an address at random, 1647 Bridgewater. Let's see what this gives us. You'll see that the search returned an address down here, so I'm going to click this link, and this opens information about that particular address. So of course it's going to contain the address. It tells you that it's in the county, which is very important so that you know that when you come here you're doing business in the right place. It gives the subdivision name, the zoning for the property, which is important. We also want you to know that. It gives you links to go to the various other constitutional officers. It also has county permit information here. Obviously it will not include city permits because we're not linked to their city permits portals. But it also gives you the parcel ID, and as you click these drop downs over here, it can give you utility information, so you'll know on your application whether or not you need to enter Seminole County utilities or not. And it tells you other information here, political representation, school information, and then other items near you. So it's a very helpful page, and one of the things I'd like to do is show you that when you use the My Resident Information page, we do require that you print and attach the property appraiser's record card to your application so that you can submit that together. This link takes you to that page, and then you can go ahead and print it from here. If you wanted to look up permit information for this address, you would simply click the View County Permit Information, and that takes you to the Building Permits Online portal, and it's here that you would be able to enter that same street address to see what permits were pulled for that address. Now go ahead and type that same one in, and I'll click Submit. And then we would have to search for that specific address in the list, which it returned it at the very top. And then these are all the permits that we currently have on file for that location. And this concludes this information about the My Resident Information page.